drums explosion. Look at those progressives, except for we're not playing for the 35,000 because we're got $40 in. We're gonna do 88 cents, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And let's get going. See if we can get anything. Oh, I got the bonus first spin. Oh, you guys know what I'm picking. I'm picking mystery. I love mystery.
Right off the bat, you're just mystery.
Oh, I love a man with mystery. Here we go. Come on. Big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. 6 by 5. Oh no. 15, please?
15.
Okay. All right. Not bad. At least it's not a downgrade. And we can re-trigger. Or get a full screen of food dogs.
Oh, yeah. Halfway there.
Okay, we've already lost like $105 at Palacio, so we could really use. Oh, look at
I
that.
saw that.
Oh, come on. Re-trigger. Don't just give me drum on the first reel.
Yeah, we came here to Aria to try to recoup what we lost with Palacio.
Yeah. The biggest win we got was $4. A $1.25 bet. Oh, come on. Re-trigger already.
There we go. Points all the way. Halfway there.
Come on. Oh, no. Drum, drum, drum. Oh, no. Drums.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Oh. Don't be a bonus bummer. Come on, drums. Oh my god. Oh well, 25 turns are bad or so. Oh, 2 more spins unless we trigger. All those drums and it didn't re-trigger once.
Come on, something good. Something good.
Oh, dogs. Oh no. Oh. That was a first spin bonus, so can't complain. And we got $20 back of what we lost earlier. And we're over 50 slots. And we drop videos every Monday. And please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Give us some advice. We're new. We don't know what we're doing. We're trying. And we'll come. Well, I guess we'll continue playing.
Okay.
Good.
Sure.
Might as well.
Oh, sorry, I slept again.
You snapper.
Good. Good. And 93. Let's see. Come on, do something good.
Let's see another bonus. Let's see how good you can be. Oh, we put 40 in and we're up 62. I'm going to do $1.88.
Sure.
Come on, dancing drums. Explosion. Explode. Come on. We need a good win. Get her done. Nope. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
We should go back to 88 cents.
Let's see. Come on. Yeah, the pocket goes every time.
Yeah. Oh, drum, yay! Another bonus on 88 cents, of course. I'm doing mystery again.
You should have told the machine what you're doing.
Oh, it knows. It loves me. It loves mystery. Come on. Big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. 6 by 5. 5 by 5. Come on. 15, 15. Oh, it wasn't a loss, so it's just status quo. Re-trigger. Re-trigger, re-trigger. Oh man, it's so big. Oh, we got $18. We have to stand up.
Okay.
There we go. You can if you want.
Come
Come on. Get those wombats.
Uh-oh.
Oh, big money. Oh, re-trigger. We only got one more spin. Drums. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. 25 again. Wow. Okay. That was not as good as I was hoping. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Your spin.
Nice spin.
Your spin. Maybe you could get a better bonus. Or close the pot.
I can waste wild. Oh, you got some wombat.
Oh, that what?
Very good.
Oh, back up to 60. Let's do another $1.88.
Chips? No.
No, 288. I'll do it now. One last run of 288. I'm back down to $1.88. No, go. No, I'm at.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. That's fine. We'll stay at $1.88 for a few more spins. Go ahead. Oh, there was the gold drum.
Gold drum.
Back down to 88 because that's what it seems to like.
Good. It's only $12. Just close it.
No, we're getting the major. It's $800. What are you talking about? Oh, we're almost back to our original 40. Come on, do something. Do something huge. Nope. Like my notebook says, get it done.
Get it done.
Oh, one drum off. Now we're losing. Oh.
Oh no.
Is your drink not good? You're still drinking it.
I'm still nursing it.
Oh. I need another one. Uh-oh. I guess we'll stop at 30. If it doesn't do anything by then, it's done with us. Come on, dancing drums. One more try. Let's do it with a gold drum this time.
Start off good, though. Close.
Come on. Oh, no. Dancing drums. Oh, there's the drum you needed. Oh, this could be our last spin.
Oh, no, good. Oh, okay.
Wah, wah. Oh, well, that was Dancing Drums Explosion. So we're over 50 bucks. We are at another Dancing Drums Explosions because the first one kind of died. Let's hope this one does something really good. Oh, is the volume on? Yeah. Quiet.
This one.
It's up.
It's all the way up.
Nope. Oh, there's a little something. Oh, that would have been nice to close on the gold. I think some gold drums.
Yeah, gold drum.
Gold drum bonus. Oh. Come on, dancing drums.
Oh, there it is. Oh, wild. Didn't line up anything.
Drums, drums. Oh. Nothing. Come on, dancing drums. Do something. $5? $5?
Nice job.
close it. Let's get those food dogs all the way across. Gold drum, or gold wild. Come on, drums. Oh, no. Come on.
Oh, low.
Oh, the music's kind of loud here.
Oh, hey, there you go.
Oh, come on.
What is it? 270.
A little bit of coins. Come on, drums. No, close it. No. Come on, we need a win. Oh, shit. Oh. Missing that fourth reel.
Go, get it.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
no. Oh, close it. Oh.
Darn, if you can get that gold one.
When we get down to 20, we're going to move to that one right there and see if it's any better.
If you can get that gold wild and the pot closes, your progressives increase. Look.
Oh, you got the ships. I didn't even see that.
No, I didn't either. Darn.
Come on, drums. Or coins. Yeah, same thing. Oh, there's 8 drums. Damn it, have we seen the drum on the first reel?
I don't remember.
I don't think so, not on this one.
You want to move it 30?
Oh, there it is. Oh, yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day.
Come on. Get something good. I went twice.
Get it.
Oh, there's the gold drum. How about 25?
25 sounds good.
Hear that, dancing drums? We're gonna leave you if you don't pay up.
Line something up.
Oh!
Darn. Oh, of course.
Where was the gold drum?
I wasn't specific. Line up the drums.
Uh-oh, last spin. Oh, there's the gold drum again. Come on. Drum, drum, drum. Nope. Okay, we're gonna try. Well, we moved next door. Now we're on the dancing drums again. We were on that one. Now we're on this one. And we have, where's the ticket?
Oops, I forgot the ticket.
And my card. I see we just moved from that one and we didn't take our ticket. Oh, we decided to come over here.
Wow. Let's see.
What are you doing?
Let's see. I can't read that card. It's saying Hertz, who left his card, and so did Damian Lopez.
Oh wow, everybody's leaving their cards. Hey, 88 cents still.
So if you guys need your cards back, they're right here.
Oh. No. Come on, we need some good luck. Good luck. Oh, drum. Oh. Where was my gold drum? Come on. Oh, missing a drum again.
Do it. Close.
Oh, you closed it. Oh, too bad it wasn't a gold wild.
Guaranteed $16.
Oh yeah, there's the progressives. And we didn't get the gold wild, so they're not going to increase, but there is what we have a chance of winning. And Greg triggered it. Come on, Greg.
Let's see. Go ahead and tell us what number to pick.
Right in the comments below what number you would have picked.
Oh, I want this one.
Oh, major. I want that one too.
Okay, another major.
Oh yeah, I do. I want another major too.
Another major.
That's not a major.
Oh darn.
I'd love to have another major. I really love that color.
Oh, major. Major. Oh gosh. Sorry, I don't mean to take so long. And it's probably predetermined anyways.
That's a minors, 42. Come on.
Let's go with
major. Oh, grand. 2 grands, 2 majors, 2 minors, 1 mini. Let's find that grand or major. Gold or pink?
Well, I want pink, either here.
Oh God. Oh, it's 2 of each. I wonder what we're gonna get.
Oh, that one or this one? That one or this one?
Oh,
you're always telling me which one to pick, but
Mini!
$16,
Mini jackpot winner!
Everybody said pick the other one. I'm sorry, I didn't pick the other one.
All right, let's see if we can get a bonus now. What's wrong?
Got a cut.
Oh, ouch.
Yep. Sorry, I didn't just slap the button.
Yeah, don't break it.
Get it? Nice.
Oh, we got some ingots. Come on. Drums. Drums. Oh, you got it! Yay! Which one are you gonna pick?
Let's see. Well then. Oh.
6. Oh no, 15. Oh, you got downgraded. It's okay. Yeah, maybe you'll get a retrigger.
No.
Uh-oh. Who dots? Oh, man. We need a retrigger. Oh, we got little food dogs.
Uh-oh.
3 more spins after this. Oh, you retriggered.
Oh, good. 3 extra spins?
Yep.
Do that again. Coins?
Oh, come on, retrigger again. No coin?
Come
on, retrigger. Drums. Oh, food dogs.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, wow, $96. It's a Merry Christmas miracle.
One more spin and we can retrigger. Well, let's go ahead and see if we can speed this up.
Come on.
Do it.
Drums. Oh, yay. Last spin when you retriggered. Do the food dogs again.
Food dogs again.
Oh,
Oh, they all lined up.
just missed the one. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Oh no, that was the last spin.
That's alright.
$112 on 80 cents. Yeah, 88 cent bet. Nice. And that was Dancing Drums Explosion. Oh.
Oh, sorry. Oops. Can you just scoot over like we did?
The chairs are set.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you.
They are very good at the social distancing here. They're trying to keep us very safe. And that was Dancing Drum Explosion. And I'll do a backup spin. Okay. Dancing Drums. Paid off. Dancing Drums Explosion. I wasn't recording and we raised our bet to $288. And I got the food odds for $288. So we were gonna just play it down to $120, and now we got another almost $300. Oh my gosh, I love this game. We'll do a little bit of live. Go ahead, honey. 288, and we're on a 288 bet now. 400.
Okay.
Drums. Oh. Yay. I thought this was going to be a losing day, but nope.
All right.
Oh, we're down. $1.88. Okay.
Okay, you may disagree with me.
What?
I'd say $30 to $588.
Oh, yeah. No, that's fine. 30 or 40?
30 or 40? Either one.
$40. We're going to play $4 at the 588 bet, so we qualify for that. Let's get that gold wild and close the pot.
Oh, there's that drum.
I know, I love those gold drums. Oh, there's one drum. Oh, where are the food dogs now?
Hey, there we go.
Oh, nice. $18. Little something. Little something, something. Oh, we were almost done.
Just in time.
Oh, come on. Oh, get the drums or close the pot. Oh, no.
I think maybe I made a bad call. That's
Drums,
right.
drums. Hey, it's fun. We're here to gamble. It's entertainment.
Entertainment. All right, I think that's it.
Oh.
Oh.
No, that's not it.
No.
We got another bet. And plus, if we didn't play 588, we wouldn't have a chance for that.
Would not have had.
Come on. Do something. Oh. That's it. Oh, then you can play 288.
Oh, okay. 288. Get it. Get it. Get it. Coin.
Oh, you got some trees.
Oh, yes, right.
Oh, 720. Should I go back to 588?
If you want.
Oh, nothing. $1.88. $1.88.
$1.88. There we go.
Oh, so close. Oh, well, that was Dancing Drums Explosions, and we are up. What did we start on this one? 30?
So we're around 30.
Yeah, so we're up over 300. Okay. Dancing Drums Explosions.